Jackson. Hi, everybody. I'm here with my favorite nephew, Owen. Say hello.
Hi.
Oh, Owen's my helper today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So first what we're going to do is I measured out a cup of Greek yogurt. And we're going to put this in our bowl. Do you want to help me do it if I hold the jar? Okay. Next, Owen, I'm going to ask you to juice a lemon, okay? So I have this handy little juicer machine, and it'll catch all of the seeds and the pulp for you. We're going to put our seasonings in. Would you like to taste lemon? Yeah? What does it taste like?
Sour.
Sour. Okay, so now we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So I'm going to measure it for you. And powder.
What does onion powder?
What does onion powder taste like? Do you want to try a little bit more? Okay. Then we're going to put in...
It's like onions.
Then we're going to put in just a 1/4 teaspoon. It's like a tiny, tiny little mouth.
We're going to
put in a 1/4 teaspoon of dill. We're going to chop up a little bit of the parsley. Now, we don't want to put too much in, so we're just going to put in 1 tablespoon, which is that guy right there.
Okay.
Okay.
It's probably something.
Perfect.
No.
Okay. All right. Good job. Okay. Next, I grow these in my garden. This is, these are chives. And so we're gonna chop up some chives. And this is a 1/2 tablespoon. And you could probably put all that in there. Perfect.
I want to do it.
Okay, so we don't need too much. We need like that. Ooh, we need like that much. Perfect. Good job. Almond milk or soy milk, and we're pretty much almost done. Do you want to whisk it up for me? Okay.
No, I'm going to put the puppy.
You're done.
No.
But stay tuned because we're going to have a taste test really soon. Okay, now we're going to do a taste test of 3 different salad dressings. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Okay, so we have some Farmer's Market carrot sticks and we have 3 salad dressings. The first one is the homemade ranch that Owen and I just made. So you guys each get to try the homemade ranch and tell me what you think. That's your homemade ranch. What do you think?
Oh. 1 out of 10, about a 7 or 8.
That's not bad.
Because I mean, a 50 out of 10 total is good. I don't like this color taste, but I like the dressing taste.
Okay. Okay. So next you guys are gonna try, you have your carrot? Okay. Next you guys are gonna try, this is called a balsamic vinaigrette.
What's a balsamic vinaigrette?
Well, it's kind of sweet, and there is olive oil and honey and other things.
Okay.
I promise it's not bad.
You want to go first?